Now we have pushed our local repo to a remote repo on GitHub. Next, we're ready to work on those features. But before that, let's do a little planning. First, we're going to work on module artifact management and finish all the features under this module. Next, we're going to work on all the features in module wizard management. In the end, we're going to finish up everything in user management. But how do we keep track of the progress of each module or each feature? Of course, you can use spreadsheet or simply just a pencil and paper. Once you are done with one feature, you just have a check mark. GitHub provides an awesome tool called Issue Tracker to help you track the progress of each issue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create issues and use the Issue Tracker to track the progress of each issue. So this is my GitHub repo. On the right side of code, there is issues. Right now it's 0 because I haven't created any. So create issues. What is an issue in GitHub? Issues are used to track to-dos, bugs, feature requests, and more. As issues are created, they will appear here in this issue panel in a searchable and filterable list. And of course, an issue can have many status. It can be opened, it can be closed, or resolved. So to get started, let's create an issue. We're going to use this issue tracker to keep track of the progress of each feature. Okay, so create issue. Well, an issue can have really different kind of granularity. So our first feature is, we're not going to do them one by one. In other words, we're not going to keep track of each feature. We want to keep track of several features together. For example, the first one is we're going to implement artifacts CRUD. So everything here, okay? Of course, you can have different granularity. For example, if you want to create one issue per feature, that's also fine. But in this case, I'm creating one issue per module because I think CRUD, those are very simple. I can do them in 10 or 20 minutes. Okay, all the features will be in this issue. And I can leave a comment. And I'm going to assign it to myself because I'm the only developer on the team. And of course, you can have labels, belong to which projects, and so on and so forth. But right now, I think everything's good. Okay, so submit new issue. All right, let's create the second issue. Wizard CRUD. I'm going to assign it to myself and submit new issue. So this is the second issue and it's open. Then let's create third issue. Artifact assignment. Okay, the first 5 features belong to issue 2. But this one, the last feature in this module, has its own issue, okay? Artifact assignment. So we're assigning one artifact to a wizard. The first 2 issues has to be resolved before we start issue 3. Okay, I'm going to assign it to myself. Submit new issue. Okay, user CRUD. As you can see, the first 5 features belong to this issue. We're going to work on login in a different issue. Assign to myself. Last one is login. Okay, let's call this login. So this is login feature. Assign to myself. Start new issue. Okay. Now, in this issue panel, there are 5 open issues, and they're waiting to be closed or resolved. And they're all assigned to the same pool programmer, which is me.